half of year on vessel passed and I returned back home, and it's time to make new videos. And yeah, this video will be about Notion, and yes, I don't have my beard anymore. How I organized my life using only one simple, well, not so simple, but simple app called Notion. This is brief look on my Notion system, and when I saw videos, tutorials about Notion, I saw a lot of pages, a lot of systems, a lot of favorites, a lot of everything inside this app, and I was thinking, wow, this person is crazy because he has so much information inside only one app. I have 3 goals that I need to somehow manage, somehow organize, and Notion is perfect app to do this. My first goal is making and managing whole YouTube channel, so all this channel is based on my only one page inside Notion. Second goal is my task manager, so I'm using GTD system, and I will make additional video about it later, but you will see some features inside Notion about this system. And third goal is new. I'm trying to find a job as video editor, as a content creator, because I'm finishing my university and I need to find a job, and job not about C. I don't want to return in this C life. Before starting this wonderful journey, I want to say that this is not made in one day. So I spent a lot of my time, a lot of my energy during 2-3 years to understand, to learn, to find solutions and build these systems during a long period of time. I experimented a lot in Notion. I used Tom & Frank notebook system. I used different templates, different systems from other persons. In my favorites, you can see only 4 pages, but if you open private, you can see it's a little bit bigger because I'm trying new things, but something don't work and I just easily delete it and I don't worry about it. I'm trying to find what works perfectly for me. Try to find perfect solution for you, not for someone. First page, first goal is my YouTube studio. So I have this kind of a hub where I have different pages, different links, and you can see I have a calendar. It's really easy to make. So I have my YouTube videos. This is the main database, and you can see I have a lot of videos, all videos, which you can see on my channel. This is place of birth of these videos. This page is digital courses. You can see I have additional pages inside this page. For example, you can see how to edit YouTube video in Premiere Pro. I open it and you can see I have a lot of stuff inside this page. I also have page about my YouTube numbers. So if you open it, you can see this is my main numbers of my channel, and also additional streams of income from this YouTube channel. So for example, Skillshare classes, Udemy classes, my store, and I have this pretty clean view, and every single month I put new data in it, and I have additional formulas that calculate all this stuff. I have this kind of bird view when I can see my progress, and it's really really important in a long time journey in YouTube. Again, it's really easy to make. This is basic database, so you can see this is text one, numbers, formula, numbers. That's all. So I just made it. I spent maybe 5 minutes to set it up. I also have page about my digital store, but my information all about digital store located in Obsidian, and I need to copy it, move it into Notion. Right now my store is not a first priority, and also it has problem with payment because PayPal doesn't work in Russia. This is not first priority and my store doesn't work correctly. I also have calendar view. This is a linked database of my YouTube videos, and you can see all my publications. So this is date of publication of every video on this channel. So if we open, for example, March, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, and I can click on this page and see all stuff about this video. So this is different view of this YouTube videos page, and this is really cool. You can stand activity completed, sitting in a chair. This is Because I have specific properties in this database, YouTube videos, I can make additional looks and copy created linked page database. It's a lot of different and strange words and strange phrases, but because, for example, let's open this video, Notion tour, you can see I have additional specific properties, video number, date of creation, URL from YouTube. So when I publish this video, I copy link and put it here because it's much easier to open it using Notion and not opening YouTube Studio. Why we need to spend additional time to do all this job? I also have status, so you can see I have different stages of my video. Researching, scripting, filming, video editing, publishing, and done. Right now I'm recording video about Notion, and after recording I can just take this page and put it in video editing stage, and right now I'm making my edit. After exporting this video and uploading on YouTube, I will have this publishing stage, and after publishing, when you see this video, it will be placed in a done stage. This system called Kanban board, and for example Trello use this system as a main system of task management, and I highly recommend you to use this structure if you have, for example, big complicated project which contains a lot of different small projects. For example, I have new idea for my video. I just click on this create new page in researching stage, write something, open it, and you can see I have template of YouTube video. I just click on it, and we need to wait a little time, and I have this default look. For example, title ideas, I will write something, new titles for these titles. I also have checklist about this project. If you have a lot of repetitive action, make a template and use this template to organize your life and organize this process, which is the same. Video number is really important because if you open, for example, project, so you can see video number 22, this is number of year 017, and I can just simply find this folder with this project with all different files. So 22017. If you are a Mac user, I also recommend you to use tags. So you can see I have filming, video edit, publishing done. So you can see these colors, and I also have tags with the same properties. So need edit, video editing done, and it's much easier to track all needed folders. For example, when after recording this video, I put all footage in this folder, and you can see it will have tag video editing. After editing this video, after exporting, publishing, I remove this tag, put tag done, and you can see I can visually check that this video is done, and I don't need to touch it. I can simply move this folder on my external hard drive and don't worry about it, because I just have this tag feature, which I also have the same feature inside my database. Because I have this tag feature in macOS, it works really nice. I connected my external hard drive, open videos, archive, and you can see the same folders with the same tag, and if I click on this tag called done, it will show all videos on my Mac and also on my external hard drive, and it's much easier to just not opening all this. I need to open 3 additional folders to find these folders with done project. I can just simply click on done, and that's all. I can see all my done project. It seems like not a big deal, but when you have a lot of different projects and when you have different external hard drive, it's become really important to organize all these folders, all these projects in one place using one feature. I can easily understand without opening Notion what's the progress, what's the stage of this particular project. Moving next. This was my YouTube studio. Let's move into dashboard. So this is again main page. This is a hub, but it contains a lot of databases, and it looks something like this. So it's a lot of stuff inside. This is Task Manager, which based on only two databases inside Notion. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 databases, but this is the same database but with different filters and different sort turn on sort feature, I have two additional rules. So first one, when this task is not done, so you can see done is unchecked, and when I don't have property inside this task. So for example, we will write new task, click on like and subscribe. For example, we have this context menu when we can put specific properties, for example, laptop, YouTube, smartphone, and it's really easy to use, low energy. So this is my additional tags for this task. I can say due date, for example, today. I need to do this today. And if we open due soon table, you can see I have click on like and subscribe because I have this table filled with specific data. If I delete information inside this cell, for example, I click on clear, you can see it disappears. You can see I have additional rules, and yeah, it's a lot of stuff inside it. And the same with ASAP feature. So if I click on ASAP, you can see I have the same task. I uncheck it, it disappears. I need to do this task before this video ends, so you can click on subscribe button and you will do this task. And I need to put a specific property, and this is my YouTube. And I just click on this button and this task disappear. Check. You can see we have nothing in it, but I can see I have this task in my SAP window. You can see first checkbox. This is done or not done. When I finish this task, I click on done checkbox and this appears. Что ты хочешь? If we open this database called task table, it looks something like this. I have again the same database where I need to put properly. So this is my offline life, disappears, and this is all tasks that I have inside this table. And you can see I have a lot of stuff in it. And what's the most, I don't know how it works right now, but Notion works really nice, and it load all these databases pretty fast. And just 1 second, and you have all different variations, all different views you have on your screen. I don't know how it works. Also, this hub contains a project table, so you can see this is home stuff, university, YouTube, online, offline, live, something like this. And this is different database, and it has this review date. If we open this page, it looks something like this. It's just empty. It just have relation to this task. That's the only reason to use this project, and also have a review date, because this is GTD system and we need to review these projects. I have date of review, frequency of this review, and I'm using filters to create this overdue. Is it overdue or not? If I need to review it, I will have notification inside this database. So requires review. I will have this page and this checkbox that I need to fix it, review it, please, and put new date inside this table. That's all. I simply have additional view of this database with only undone tasks. You can see I have university tasks, YouTube tasks, home stuff, a lot of stuff I have inside it, and I need to spend 2 minutes to review all tasks and assign new dates, delete already done tasks. Really easy to use, and GTD system. And again, I will make video about it later. And the last part of my life organization is finding a job. So you can see job applications. 1 second. I used default template. So if you open templates, you can see you have a lot of stuff inside it. If you need to organize your life, everything inside your life, you can do this using all these different templates. You can organize your life, like a life of your company, life of your dog or cat, life of the world. You can do this using Notion templates. And I just used this template, which called job applications, because I need to find a job. So job applications. I just click on use this template, adjust it for myself, and right now, 2 months later, I have this view which looks something like this. It's pretty clean and simple. I have my pages with my CV, video portfolio, database with jobs, which I used to apply. For example, you can see I have sent resume, rejected, or just for information. I just looking for salaries and properties of this job. I have different looks, different views. So by stage, send resume, bam, you have different steps of your job applications. I want to show you 2 additional features of Notion. So open my CV. It looks something like this, pretty clean, pretty simple, but with different links, with my YouTube channel, with link to my Notion page, with my video portfolio. It looks dish. I close all 3 links using just making videos. So if you need to lose your weight, record videos and wear Apple Watch. So what I really like to use, I can click on this share button, turn on share to web, and right now everyone who open my link will open page from Notion, and it looks the same. And I have no need, for example, to build a website using WordPress, pay for hosting or domain. I can use Notion, create page inside Notion, adjust it as I need it, so I can change my email, change everything inside it, and it automatically change this page. It's so easy to use and everything still works. For example, I can open my YouTube channel, I still have this link. I can move to my video portfolio and again move back to my CV. This is mind-blowing feature. Really, this is really mind-blowing feature. And this phase where I should start to use Notion. And second feature that I use, I export these pages. For example, you can click on these 3 dots, you can see export, and I export this page as a PDF. Click on export, and just need to wait a little bit. Page CV forward. You can see I have this PDF file which I can use for again job application, because on different websites you need to attach a file with your CV or with portfolio, with cover letter. You can just export your page from Notion and put it, and that's all. You are perfect one. Perfect candidate. All links works. So my YouTube channel, click on it, boom, hello, my YouTube channel. Video portfolio, click, boom, click, boom, I said, everything works. I'm really surprised about Notion functionality, because I thought that it's just an app for databases. No, simple databases with different and small information and using templates, but it has a lot of different depths inside behind this app. A lot of stuff you have inside Notion, and that's why a lot of people use it to organize everything about everyone's life, because it has big variety of functions and a lot of scenarios to use it. So you can see creative world, business world, and task manager. This is all just parts of my Notion system. That's all. If you want to build simple database like I do for my YouTube videos, you can watch this video. This is my old video about Notion databases. I need to put my Notion tour in my video editing stage, and it's time to edit video. See you. Thank you for watching, by the way.